Very difficult for the people around here.
Malo jotelo 200 e riwruoge mag jopur mag kahawa e kaunti ma Nandi oyudo puonj kotenore gi yore mag bero pur mar kahawa e pacho ka. Puonj ma kamano manotim gi riwruoge moko mag piny owacho nobagi e boma ma Kapsabet ma bende geno ni biro konyo e medo yuto mag jopur mag kahawa e gwengego. Ka jotelo go kwayo jopur mar mondo mioti gi yore manyasani e bero pur mar kahawa kendo girit kungo mag gi riwruoge gi.
Advisor. Has a problem. You cannot go and look for some. How many are they?
We are going to use and put in place the skills that we have learned from this training, especially on the strategic plan development, the business plan development, and the entire leadership, so that we improve on the governance of our coffee sector.
So in bringing those resources together, we can mobilize from our members and we bring those finances and resources together so that we can open up our entrepreneurship. We make our cooperative a business venturing. We have that opportunity to venture into business.
Key issues that the program wanted to address was the way they keep the records, the way they prepare those financial statements, and also how to automate records, because we've noted that the cooperative societies are still not yet bankable, although the accessing financial support or financial inclusion is there, but there's need to make them better societies.